आणि म्हाका खात्री आसा सगळे वाचणूकार एकठांय जावन
तशेंच हेच्या पयले आमी गोवा एगेन्स्ट कोल अवेरनेस आनीक वो कोल बंद.
तुम्ही बरे जिवीत चालले. आज म्हजें जिवीत एक क्वेश्चन मार्क जाल्लें आसा. मुखार म्हजें जिवीत बरें आसतलें वो वायट आसतलें.
तुमचे बरोबर इरिस्पेक्टिव्ह ऑफ रिलीजन, ऑफ कास्ट, क्रीड, ऑफ प्लेस वे वी कम, आमकां आनी जे मेरेन लोक भुरगो जावं, तरणाटो जावं, बायल जावं वो दादलो जावं.
काँग्रेस लेजिस्लेचर पार्टीची मिटींग जाली. त्या मिटिंगेंत आमी ठरयलें की आमचो सपोर्ट जे ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक विरोध करतात तांकां आसतलो. कारण हे प्रोजेक्ट जे आसात हे गोंयकाराच्या हिताचे न्ही. कोल हब हो खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन गोंयांत जावपाक जायना अशें आमचें सगळ्यांचें प्रामाणीक मत आसा. आमी एका वटेन हेल्थ इज वेल्थ म्हणटात. हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर आसतना आमच्या राज्याक बेस्ट स्टेट इन द हेल्थ सेक्टर म्हणून आमकां प्रायज मेळटात. आनी एका वटेन आमी हेल्थ इज वेल्थ म्हणटात, दुसरे वटेन आमी हांगा कोल हब करपाक सोदता. आनी आतां पळयल्यार कळटा, प्रेजेंटेशन दिलें पळय तें पळयतकीर लक्षांत येता की सामान्य मनीस तातूंतल्यान उध्वस्त जावपाक शकता. आनी म्हणून आमी ठरयलें की असल्या प्रोजेक्टाक गोंयांत खंयच्याच परिस्थितीन सरकारान येवपाक दिवपाक जायना. कोणाचें प्रेशर आसूं कितेंय आसूं. म्हाका तें पयर आयिल्लें सांगपाक आज मिटींग आसा, मुद्दम यो पळय अशें म्हणून. आनी हांव मुद्दम आज मिटिंगेक एटेंड जालो आनी आमच्या पार्टीनी स्टँड घेतिल्लो आसा की आमचो फूल सपोर्ट तांकां आसतलो.
सर तुमी हो इश्यू असेंब्लीन बीन रेज करतले?
असेंब्लीत जायना न्ही रे. आज आमी ठराव घेतला CLPन की जाता तितले बेगीन ह्या नोव्हेंबर म्हयन्यांत किंवा डिसेंबर म्हयन्यांत मिनिमम एक 15 ते 20 दिसाचें सेशन आपोवचें म्हणून. कितले इश्यू आसा आतां. लास्ट सेशन जाल्लें पळय अर्दे दिसाचें जुलय म्हयन्यात. ताजे फाटल्यान सेशन जाल्लें तें मार्च म्हयन्यात 8 दिसाचें. ताजे फाटल्यान सेशन खंय आसा. सेशनच जावना न्ही. असेंब्लीक सगळ्या आमदारांक एक संदी मेळपाक जाय न्ही. प्रश्न विचारपाक, उत्तरां मेळपाक जाय, डिस्कस करपाक मेळपाक जाय. आमी आज ठराव घेवन डिमांडी केला.
सर सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केला की जे आता डबल ट्रॅकिंग आसा पळय तो खाली रेल्वे जे कोला खातीर न्हू पूण सगळ्या खंयच्या हेज्या खातीर ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन आसतलो.
तांचें प्रेजेंटेशन जर पळयलें आज सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेच्या ट्रॅका वयल्यान कितल्यो गाडयो वता हो रिकॉर्ड तांचे कडेन आसा. तातूंत पॅसेंजर गाडयो कितल्यो वता. आनी आज प्रेजेंटेशन पळयलें जाल्यार लक्षांत येता पॅसेंजर गाडयो कितल्यो वतात, कोलाच्यो गाडयो कितल्यो वतात. आनी दुसरो ट्रॅक जातकीर कितें जातलें. कारण आज पॅसेंजराच्यो गाडयो ह्यो सगळ्यो कोंकण रेल्वेच्या ट्रॅका वयल्यान वतात. सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड आसा. म्हणटकीर तुका आतां तें पळयलें जाल्यार लक्षांत येता सगळें. तें कोणें सांगपाची गरज ना.
सो सीएम लायंग म्हणजे अशें
हांव कोण लाय करता बी तसलें स्टेटमेंट हांव करना. पूण रियलिटी कितें आसा तांचें प्रेजेंटेशन पळयलें जाल्यार सादारण मनशाक सुद्दां कळटा.
With the people on these issues right from the beginning. Okay, I have made my stand very clear. Okay, and when the need is there and we have to show our solidarity, not for any reason but because we love Goa and we love the people of Goa. And since we are the elected representatives, it is our responsibility to be there to ensure that life for them will be what it should be. We all know that these projects are detrimental to the state and to the people. Okay, these 3 linear projects and also the doubling. We know that doubling is, I know for a fact because I live along the tracks. I know the trouble that people face. I know the pollution aspect. Today we heard how it is not just the coal dust, but it is also the heavy metals that will destroy our health, and many of us will die on account of it. So these are very serious issues, and I'm sure our government will do a thorough thinking on these issues and make sure that they take the right decision and stop these projects, because Goa, the tiniest state of our country, does not have the carrying capacity to contain these mega projects.
So what will be stand now? You will be opposing these projects because elections.
I'm opposing from the beginning. We have been meeting our Honorable Chief Minister we will continue meeting him until he realizes that we are genuine people. We are not here for any other reason but for the welfare of our state. Goa is my land. Goa is the land of my ancestors. And I think it is our bounden duty to protect our land. It is known as the Pearl of the Orient because without any human interference, God has made it so beautiful. It is precisely for this reason that Goa is on the international map. You have tourists coming from all over the world because of the environment that Goa has blessed, that God has blessed Goa with. Let us protect it.
Are you afraid? Are you not fear of any action, political party being a BJP in power? If in case any action takes on you, then what will be
I
stand?
don't think my government will take any action on me. I have not done anything wrong. I am supporting right from the beginning the people who say that these projects are detrimental to their lives. And I am a witness to it because my house is also along the tracks. I know the pollution that we suffer from. And I also know what will happen when the second track comes, how close the second track is going to be to the houses along the tracks. And I request our elected representatives, to spare some time and walk along the alignment. Find out the proximity of the tracks to the houses. I think that will open their eyes. The fact that the tracks are almost, in some cases, on the doorsteps of the houses. Some are within the compound. Some are on the compound, parallel to the compound wall. Now, our Minister for Environment, Nilesh Kabral, he came and he walked, but he did not look at the proximity of the tracks to the houses. All he did was walk along the tracks. By walking along the tracks, you don't see the danger that we are exposing the people and the land and the state through these 3 projects. So I request our elected representatives, take time, look into the woes of the people and make our life secure by taking right decisions.